Eva, let's clean it out. Alright, let's go. Wait. Do you know how much waste we generate every day? But it's just eggshells. Exactly. That's the problem.
Every day, millions of tons of agricultural waste, like this coconut husk and eggshells, are tossed into our local landfills. They rot, they release methane, and they're treated like a burden to our planet. But at the same time, we face a second invisible problem, energy waste. We are constantly burning electricity just to keep our walkways safe at night. This sparked a question for our team. Why are we throwing away natural strength while paying for artificial light? This inspired us to create Terraglow. Because at the end of the day, we glow so you don't trip.
Our research focuses on 5% calcium carbonate composition of eggshells. When processed, this calcium carbonate acts as a high biophilia composite materials. By integrating phosphorescent pigments, which absorb photons during the day and emit them via persistent luminescence at night, we created a tile that is both structurally functional and self-sustaining. Cool, right?
To understand our project, we have to look at the gap in our current solution. We've identified three precise problems that Terraglow aims to solve. Number one, the biomass waste crisis. Right now, coconut husks and eggshells are seen as trash, but scientifically, eggshells are nearly 95% calcium carbonate, a powerhouse mineral, and coconut fibers are nature's most durable reinforcement. By ignoring this, we aren't just wasting food scraps, we are wasting a massive source of sustainable building materials. Number two, passive lighting gap. In many areas, from garden paths to dark stairwells, we rely entirely on the electrical grid. This increases carbon emissions and light pollution. There is a lack of passive safety solutions, surfaces that provide guidance without needing a plug, a battery, or a bulb. Number three, the durability versus eco gap. Many eco tiles on the market today are either too fragile for heavy foot traffic or too expensive for the average person. We saw a need for a low-cost, high-strength tile that bridges the gap between recycled waste and industrial-grade durability. We aren't just making a tile, we are filling a void in how we treat our waste and how we light our world.
There are three impact analyses in Terraglow. Number one, social impact. Terraglow improves safety by making pathways more visible at night for pedestrians and cyclists. They enhance public spaces by creating attractive modern environment. Overall, they support sustainable city development while increasing community safety and comfort. Number two, environmental impact. Our tiles have reduced the need for traditional street lighting, which lowers carbon emissions. They absorb sunlight during the day and glow at night without using electricity. This reduces light pollution and support more environmental friendly urban spaces. Number three, energy impact. These tiles store solar energy naturally and release it after dark, eliminating the need for electrical power. As a result, cities can reduce energy consumption and save on lighting costs. They can also provide visibility during power outages, improving reliability.
Begin by preparing your coconut husk and crushed eggshells. Make sure the eggshells are completely dry and clean. Next, cut the coconut husk into little pieces. In a container, mix plaster of Paris, coconut husk and crushed eggshells, then pour in some water and mix the components evenly until the texture reaches the thickness that you prefer. But if the texture is still too runny, just add some more plaster of Paris. Afterwards, transfer it into a silicone mold and let it dry for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After drying, gradually mix epoxy resin and hardener together. Carefully pour the mixture into your silicone mold. Then allow the tiles to cure undisturbed until fully hardened. Once set, gently remove them from the mold. To complete the process, carefully layer the phosphorescent liquids on top, ensuring full coverage for Everglow. Then let it dry for 30 minutes. And voila! Here's the finishing look.
You might be wondering what's the difference between traditional tiles and Terraglow. Terraglow absorbs light during the day and glows at night naturally without any electricity, wiring, or batteries. It is not just a tile, it's a sustainable lighting solution. Normal tiles are made from clay, ceramic, or marble. They are only used for decoration or flooring. They do not save energy and they do not help the environment. Terraglow, on the other hand, reduce landfill waste, conserve natural resources, and glow at night, improving visibility and safety. This is what makes them unique. Using waste materials increases value by turning what is normally discarded into something useful. It reduces pollution, saves materials, lower costs, and inspires sustainable living. Terraglow transforms waste into a glowing, functional, a high-value product. Terraglow is more than a tile. It is a step toward a cleaner planet, safer community, and smarter energy use. By turning waste into light, we create a brighter, greener future.
Our project aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals by addressing real-world challenges. Firstly, it supports sustainable cities by improving safety at night. The tiles provide visibility along pathways, helping to reduce the risk of accidents in public spaces. Secondly, the project promotes responsible consumption by reusing waste materials instead of disposing them in landfills. In addition, by reducing reliance on artificial lighting, the project contributes to climate action through improved energy efficiency. This project is feasible because it uses low-cost materials that are easily available. The production process is simple and does not require complex technology, which makes it practical to implement. In terms of future potential, the tiles can be scaled for mass production and applied in various areas such as sidewalks, parks, and school pathways. With further development, the durability and glow duration can be improved to enhance long-term performance and safety. In conclusion, this project creates impact on multiple levels. From an environmental perspective, it helps reduce waste by reusing discarded materials and transforming them into a useful product. In terms of social impact, the tiles improve safety in public spaces by providing better visibility at night, helping to prevent accidents. Looking ahead, this innovation has strong future potential as it is practically scalable and suitable for wider urban application. Overall, this project demonstrates how simple and sustainable ideas can create meaningful real-world impact.
We glow so you don't trip. Bye!